pressing our blocks, the first thing that we're going to do is create this little 4 patch in the center. And how we're going to do that is we're going to take our unit and we're going to grasp the center just on either side. So I'll get this close, hopefully that you can see that. So we're grasping just on either side of this seam allowance in the center. So we're going to grasp on either side of that center and we're just going to give it a little twist. And that's all. You can see right where that little 4 patch unit opens up in the center. Now we haven't broken any of the stitches in our seam. Our seam is still there. If we were to open this up, you would see our seam is just fine, right? So now I can actually press, even though I stitched this in one long seam, I can press it in different directions so that my seams all go in a clockwise direction.